Hi guys, welcome to the last part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 13. So let's see the problem statement. Okay, so basically in the previous part we had kept a clean data set ready to be given as an input to the model. So in this we'll be building a binary classification model using decision tree classifier. So we have 5 steps. That is, first one is prepare data for modeling, second one is split the data, third one is train the classification model, fourth one is evaluate the performance of the model, and then create a pipeline. So let's see the code. First, we have a first function called prepare data, and input is the data set. So now we'll be dropping is cancelled field from the data input. So because we'll be predicting is cancelled, we'll be dropping it from the input, because that is the output what we need. So we'll be creating y is basically is cancelled, and now we'll be dropping is cancelled from x. Now we'll be encoding all the other things in x. We'll be encoding that. So because from words we have to convert it to numbers, so we'll be encoding that so the computer understands it properly. Now we'll use the split data. Okay, so basically now we are using the split data. We'll be splitting the data into test and train data. So test is 0.2. That basically makes it 80% of the data is used for training and remaining 20 is used for testing. Random set is 42, so that the same data gets trained and tested repeatedly. And now stratify equal to y. That is basically we have 0 and 1 in the target, like I said. So number of zeros and number of ones should be equal on both the sides. So that is what is stratify. Now we'll have to train the model. Okay, so now the model is decision tree classifier. Random set is 42. And now we'll fit both x train and y train. We'll be training the model, and now we'll be training the model. Now we have to evaluate how the model is performing them. So now we have to evaluate how the model is performing using evaluate metrics. So now we'll be first we'll be predicting the value, that is y prediction equal to using the x test. That is basically we'll give the test data set and we'll try to get the output. Now accuracy, we'll be trying to get the accuracy for both, and then we'll say return accuracy. So accuracy is also found out for all. Now we'll be creating a pipeline. So to automate this, we'll be creating a pipeline. Okay, so in this pipeline, basically we've read so we have the file path of the clean data set, and then we'll say loaded number of rows of clean data. So basically we'll take the length of the clean data, and then we'll say now these many rows are loaded into from the clean data. Now we'll use one hot encoding to prepare the data, both x and y, and then we have the split data function. So then we'll say data split into this many training and this many testing samples. Let's say 1000 training, 200 testing samples, etc, etc. Okay, so now we'll train the model again and find the accuracy, and then we'll print the accuracy of the model as well. Now we have the main data, and here we'll give the sample. That is basically we have a go sedan, location pickup location is Khansa, drop location is also given, average VTAT, average CTAT is also given, payment method is UPI, now hour of the day is 8 in the morning. And now I'll just run this program. So basically accuracy is 1, like you can see, and the data split into 4000 training and 10,000 testing samples out of the 50,000. Now you can see the predicted outcome is completed, so that it won't be cancelled, it would be completed. So this is what the predicted outcome is. So I'll submit this code now. So all the test cases have been passed. So that's it for this weekend. And if you want to try more such programs, then head to the CodeChef platform. And if you want to learn more such problems or prepare yourself for interview, then you can go pro on CodeChef. And that's it for this weekend.